Your viewers. Myself Abhishek Chakraborty, a first year medical student from Andaman and Nicobar Institute of Medical Sciences Port Blair, is here to discuss a few points on the given topic, online education. Here I would like to say that I had completed a diploma degree on the BSc Physics from the past 2 years. During the pandemic, the course had to be offline, but it had gone online due to the pandemic was hit. So, according to my experience, the whole circumstances which made me to study the thing online was great, or it could be say about a 70% great. That is, I had a lot of experience like a sorting of things from internet, and then the things given to me by the professors, the lectures on the Google Meet or the Zoom classes had helped me a lot. But on doing the experiments on the physical lab could have been a great one for me. And now coming on the next topic, that is, does the physical cadaver can be replaced by the virtual dissection tools in the medical school? The medical school mainly has to study the medicine and the surgery. That is, for the surgery, a good surgeon has to be a good anatomist. So, for the becoming a good surgeon, you need to have a good knowledge of anatomy, and for a good knowledge of anatomy, you had to be a good dissectionist. So, for a good dissection, your hand should be stable on the dissecting of the body, and learning about all sorts of organs, taking it on your hand, and the else other thing. So the virtual 3D apps and the other hologramic studies would not let you do that all sort of things. So according to me, it would not be great replacing all that sort of things by the virtual 3D apps and the other whatever means it goes on. So I would take a few lines from the William Harvey, as he says, I had learnt anatomy by dissection, not by the books. He says that he doesn't read the philosophers, he doesn't read the philosopher nets and the other things. He learns the dissection by the he learns anatomy by the dissections of the body. So the thing according to William Harvey was that at the end of the thing he wants to say that the anatomy is only the thing you need to learn by taking the bodies in the hand, not by learning or the writing all the concepts from the books. And now I would go on the second topic, that how the medical schools and e-learning of the medical schools and the medicals are upgrading to keep up the pace at the developing times post COVID. The thing here is all the medical schools and the medicals in India are nowadays upgrading to the high facilities that are being provided, like the pneumatic tubes delivery of all the samples, the automated things in the biochemistry labs, and the other sorts of 3D virtualizers apps for all the sort of studies, the PowerPoint presentations in the lecture halls, which make the students to learn the concepts that are highly vaporizable in the field of the medicine, to keep their memory sharp enough so that they could remember things for a longer time. These also help all those sorts of medical staff workings in the medical to save their life from the harmful pathogens and all, and upgrading to all the AI systems and the robotics in the medical field. Now, at the last, I would conclude my discussion by saying a few words that all those online educations and